Alright guys, this is a quick how to change the headlight bulbs on a 2013 Chevy Malibu. You know, these don't have the factories on it. Somebody, when I bought the car, somebody had changed it to some LED lights, but I'm gonna show you how to do it anyway. See this one right here to the driver's side. You just want to twist this cap a little bit, and then it pops right out. And then, you know, right now they got LEDs in here, but if it was the let me see if I can look this up. If it was the regular lights in here, you could just unplug the tab. Let me show you. Pretty sure you got a different setting for it. Wow, they just Jimmy rigged this, man. Look at that. Somebody just that don't make no sense. They just rigged this to put this in here, but I'm gonna have to end up changing it. That's bad. And on the other side, and they could be what I hear right, like flickering. On this side, this is blocking the way. I mean, you could just move this right here, the filler neck, to the windshield wipe. Just pop up right there. And you can do the same thing for that one. Just twist that one out. Same way, pop it off. And like I said, for the factory, you're gonna see a plug right there. And you just take a flathead screwdriver and the plug will just pull it out with your hand. It's that simple for y'all who think it's hard. It's nothing like the 2010 Chevy Malibus where you had to take the whole bumper, the front end down, because this back of this was sealed. And all right, guys, that's it. That's how you change the headlight bulb on the 2013 Chevy Malibu. Catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect.